Hello YouTube, we will be showing you how to make a disc clean. As you can see, this is just a regular Xbox 360 Call of Duty World at War. It is pretty scratched up. Alright, so let's get started. First you're going to plug the drain here and pour some hydrogen peroxide in there. Good enough. And you're going to drop your disc. Then you're going to fill it up with water. Warm water would be preferable, but doesn't really matter. So now you're just going to let it sit for about 3 minutes, 5 minutes, just how long you think it needs. Alright. But when this gets done, you're gonna take that disc out and put the toothpaste on here, just regular toothpaste. Anti-cavity preferable, but you're gonna put that on it. That ain't gonna hurt it, hopefully. Alright, then you're gonna put this on it. And you're just gonna rub it on here. Like this. In a circular motion. Alright, then you're gonna put it back down into the drain. Wipe your hands off. Okay. And then now you're just gonna let it sit for a little bit more. Faggot. Alright. Now you're going to take the toilet paper. Jake, I will ask you to shut up, please. Now you're just going to rub it off. Gonna rip it all off. Might take a few tissues or toilet papers to do this. Alright, when that's done, you're gonna just drain the water here. As you can see, it looks clean, but under it, it's not really. Alright, then you're gonna lay one of those down. Take the disc out, and you're just gonna lay it right there, and take another one, and just lay it right on top. and you're going to let that dry. And now when that dries, you're just going to wipe all of it off very gently from the inward outward. And now when that's dried, it should work. If it doesn't, well, your disc is just scratched up really bad, so you're going to have to get a new one. So, thanks for watching.